Welcome to this video by ZKTeco Europe. Regarding the video intercom, the first to be presented is the model UE01B22L. This device, as you will see, would be ideal for mounting in single-family houses. The installation manual is included. As you can see, the device incorporates a card reader and a single button for the house where we are going to install it. At the top we have the camera and the microphone, as well as the speaker at the bottom. This device also includes the mounting box for flush mounting. Very important that you don't have to buy it separately. On the other hand, it also includes the mounting accessories. And if we look at the device on the back, very simple. We have the RJ45 input, as well as all the terminal board for the relay output. Another model for outdoors that we would like to present to you is the model VE01B23L. A little more complete than the previous one, as this device allows us to use a button panel. Ideal, for example, for neighborhood communities. Like the previous one, it includes the installation manual, includes the mounting accessories, including mounting box, and as you can see, is very similar to the previous one, except that the central module includes the button panel with which we can call the different rooms of the community. At the back, exactly the same as the previous one. RJ45 socket and terminal board for relay outputs. The last model that we would like to present to you for outdoors is the model VEX B21A. This is the most complete model of all, as you will see now, since this device is ideal for general community entrances. Inside the package we also have both the mounting accessories as well as the installation manual. And in the same way as the previous ones, includes the installation box. The device from the bottom up includes the card reader, the button panel, a screen for displaying the rooms we are calling, a microphone, the LEDs and the camera. And on the back, we have the RJ45 socket, the relay outputs, and the device even incorporates an input for a reader that goes over RS485. As well as the push button input for opening from the inside of the door. Now, we are going to present one of our intercom monitors. In this case we present the VT07B22ACW model. In the unboxing we will see that it includes the configuration manual, as well as the mounting accessories, wiring and installation plate. And once we open the device, we'll see on the front of the device the camera and at the bottom the microphone. And on the back you're going to see our RJ45 jack, our power socket. And these monitors also support alarm inputs. This system can be, in quotes, configured as an alarm system with 8 inputs. Here we'll see the device's speaker and a 7-inch screen in length. Here we have the VT07C22L model. This is our monitor with a 2-wire interface. In the unboxing we'll see the installation manual. We'll have our mounting plate, as well as the accessories, wiring and resistors. If we look at the monitor on the front, we have a camera and at the bottom the microphone. And on the back you have the 2-wire interface, the power supply interface and an interface for the alarm inputs. And at the bottom we have the speaker. We also present the video intercom accessories. In this case we have on the left the 2-wire IP distributor, and on the right the 2-wire IP converter. If we see them, For this distributor, we will have two 2-wire inputs to IP, and at the bottom we will have the outputs for the distributors of the 2 wires. This device also supports DIN rail mounting. Comes with built-in mounting brackets. This would be the VDP28M model. And for our converter, much simpler. We will have the 2-wire output, and at the bottom we have the 12-volt input and the main input. This would be the VDP21S model.